Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So in this lecture, we are going to continue with the second exercise of chapter 3, playing with numbers. And this is the part 2 of exercise 3.2. In 3.1, we have done the previous questions till question number 6. And from this video, we are going to start with the seventh question. Okay, so let's see. The seventh question says, give three pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Here in the question they are asking that you have to tell them the three pairs of the prime numbers whose difference should be 2. Now there is one remark which is given. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. So this is important to learn or to just keep in inside the mind, because maybe your teacher could ask that give three pairs of twin primes. So you will not, if you will not know that what are twin primes, so you will definitely leave that question. Instead, if you learned this, that what are twin primes, so twin primes are the two prime numbers whose difference should be 2. Okay, now we have to see the pairs which have a difference of 2 and is a prime number. So there are two conditions. Now if I take one example, let's say 3, and after 3 I take another number, that is 5. So this could be the first pair because 3 and 5 both are the prime numbers. So first condition ticked. Now the second condition is that the difference should be 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So both the conditions are getting correct. So we can say that this should be the first number or the first prime pair. Okay. Now for the second pair you can choose 5 and 7, because 5 and 7 also are the prime numbers and the difference are 2. After that 7 and 9 cannot be selected because 9 is not a prime number. Then after that you can take an example of 11 and 13, right? Because 11 and 13, both of them are the prime numbers and the difference between them is 2. Similarly, you can take more examples. Let me give you one more extra example, that is 17 and 19. Both of them are prime numbers, have the difference of 2. Thus, we can say these all four illustrates the full proper example of twin primes. Got it? Okay, now let's move to the next question. So the next question says that which of the following numbers are prime? So this is the easy one. I already told you in the introduction part that what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers, and now you are smarties, so you know that. Now let's take first one, that is 23. So 23, you all know that what is divisibility rules. You know all the divisibility rules of all the numbers like from 2 to 12, which I already shared with you in the introduction parts. Okay, so you can see it is an odd number. It is not an even number. So definitely it will not go with 2. Okay, then 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 will not come in the table of 3. So we can say 3 से भी नहीं जाएगा. Then 4 से भी नहीं जाएगा. 5 से भी नहीं. If you check, ये किसी भी number से नहीं जाएगा. Okay. So from that you can say that yes, it is a prime number. Okay, it is a prime number. Now for 51, if I see 51 is an odd number, 2 से तो नहीं जाएगा. Then 3 से if we check, 5 plus 1 is 6, which is the multiple of 3. We can say 3 is the factor of 6. So yes, ये prime number नहीं है, ये 3 की टेबल में आ रहा है. And तो इसको हम लिखेंगे yes, no, it is not a prime number. No, not a prime number, you can say not a prime number. After this, 37. Now for 37, you can see that 3 plus 7, because it is odd number, so it is not a, it will not divide with 2. Then 3 plus 7 is 10. 3 से भी नहीं जाएगा, then 4 से भी नहीं जाएगा, and when you will check with all, ये किसी से भी नहीं जाएगा. In short, we can say it is a prime number. Okay. Now for 26, सिंपल इवन नंबर है, इवन नंबर हमेशा चला जाता है 2 से. सो ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन से दैट नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर, बिकॉज ये 2 से चला जाएगा, बिकॉज 13 into 2 is 26. So it is not a prime number. Okay, now let's move to the next one, 9th. Okay, write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. So here you have to write the 7 consecutive composite numbers, okay, and it should be less than 100 and there should be no prime numbers between them. Okay, so basically they are asking for composite numbers, so of course prime number तो नहीं चाहिए हमें, ठीक है. Consecutive, now here the word is consecutive. Many of you may know the meaning of consecutive in math, but if you don't know, don't worry, I'll tell you. Consecutive means एक के बाद एक. Let's say if I am asking write the first consecutive numbers or write the consecutive number of 1. So 1 क्या बाद क्या आता है 2. So we can say 2 is the consecutive number of 1. Okay. Then उसके बाद अगर मुझे इसी सीरीज को, इसी consecutive सीरीज को कंटिन्यू रखना है, then I'll just continue writing the numbers one by one. बीच में कोई भी गैप नहीं होना चाहिए, एक के बाद एक properly arranged number आना चाहिए. That is known as consecutive numbers. Okay. Now here we have to find 7 consecutive numbers जो कि 100 से कम हो, 7 बार एक साथ आते हो एंड consecutive हो. Okay, तो हमें क्या करना है, if you see like ये question ऐसा नहीं है कि you will try to do it in your exam directly, because इसकी कोई trick नहीं है, but you can just learn them that 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. These are the 7 consecutive numbers that are less than 100 and not a prime number. Okay, इनके बीच में कोई भी प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं है, एक के बाद एक है, सीरीज में है, कुछ भी गैप नहीं है किसी भी नंबर का, एंड ये सारे ही कंपोजिट नंबर्स हैं. Okay, so you can just learn it for the exam point of view also. Got it? Okay, now let's move to the next question. The 10th question says, express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. Okay, if I'm not wrong, in the previous lecture or in the first exercise, we have done this type of question, but in that question, we have to divide it, we have to write it in the sum of 2 odd prime numbers. Here we have to write for 3 odd prime numbers. So let's just try it. Now 21. Okay, so 21 में what you can do is, जैसे 2 के लिए मैंने बताया था, you just go step by step back and check कर लो जिसमें भी दोनों numbers fit आ रहे हैं prime numbers की तरह, you can just go for it. Okay, now if I suggest you can do is like 3. Subtract, see, when you will subtract 1 from this number, you will get 20, right? So what you can do is 1 plus, अब 20 बचा है हमारे पास, right? 20 को हमें 2 odd numbers में subtract करना है. So what you can do is 17 plus 3. So 1 plus 17 plus 3. And here you got your answer. Means ये सारे ही prime numbers हैं, odd numbers हैं, and okay, here there is one mistake because prime numbers उन्होंने basically कहा है and 1 is not a prime number. Okay, so we can say no, it is wrong. Okay, now एक और try देते हैं इसको. 1 से नहीं हुआ, 2 नहीं ले सकते because it is not an odd number. Now 3 लेके देखते हैं. So 3 से अगर हम करते हैं, इससे हमने एक चीज सीखी कि 1 तो हमें कभी नहीं लेना है जब हमारे पास प्राइम्स लिखा है तो, ठीक है. अब 3 पे लिया, 3 माइनस किया 21 से, वी आर गेटिंग 18, राइट. नाउ 18 को अब हमें डिवाइड करना है फर्दर मोर. सो 18 को किससे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? वी कैन डू इट लाइक 5 प्लस 13. ओके, 5 प्लस 13 हमारा 18 देता है एंड 18 प्लस 3 इज 21. Yes, so this is the perfect pair which gives you the answer based on all the conditions true. Okay, now 31 for the 31st one, what you have to do, 1 ले नहीं सकते, 3 अगर हम लेते हैं, so 31 minus 3 is 28, and 28 को अगर हम सब करें, तो अगर इफ यू विल चेक, उसमें कोई भी नंबर आपको ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा, पेयर्स जो भी बनेंगे उसमें कहीं ना कहीं कंपोजिट नंबर आ रहा है. सो वी कुड टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ 5. Okay, then after 5, when you will subtract 5 from it, you will get 26, right? 26 is left. Now for 26, what you can do is, you can just do with 19 plus 7. Yes, 19 plus 7. That will give you 26 as an answer. सारे ही numbers odd है, prime है, and sum of 3 हो रहा है, right? Similarly, for 53, your answer could be 13, then 17 and 23. ठीक है, 13 plus 17 plus 23, all of them are odd prime numbers, and जब add करोगे तो you will get the answer 53. For 61, it could be 11 plus 13 plus 30. Now how much is left? 11 plus 13, 20. 24. 24 is done. Okay, so 61 minus 24. How much is left? So here it is 5, 11. 11 minus 4 is okay. So here also we get our answer. Okay. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस थोड़े लाइक ट्रायल एंड एरर वाले मेथड से होता है. ट्राई करते जाओ, आपको पता चलता जाएगा कि कैसे ये चीजें सॉल्व होंगी. गॉट इट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, 11th question. Now the 11th question says, write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Now this one is relatively very easy if you understand how to solve the previous question. So basically you have to take the pair of two numbers and add them, और उसका divisible 5 से मतलब वो easily divisible हो जाए 5 से, और जो भी numbers हो वो 20 से छोटे होने चाहिए. So there are so many. The easiest one is 2 plus 3. 2 and 3 दोनों ही छोटे हैं, 20 से, प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. एंड 2 plus 3 हमें देता है 5, right? And of course 5 is divisible by 5. So ये एक पेयर हो सकता है. Okay. Then second pair could be, if I say 7 plus 3. Yes, it could be 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7, you can say. 3 plus 7, if I add, it will give me 10. Okay, and 10 again 5 से छोटा होता है, दोनों ही prime numbers हैं 3 and 7. Okay. नाउ 10 को सोच लो, मीन्स ट्राई करके देखो कि कोई और मेथड है 10 को लिखने का जो जिससे हमें प्राइम नंबर्स मिल रहे हैं. बट इफ यू विल सी, यू विल गेट 6 plus 4, then 5 plus 5. Okay, rather than that, it will again become 4 plus 6. So नहीं, और तो नहीं है. ठीक है, then you can write the next one. For 15 को अगर हम ब्रेक करें, इट कुड बी 12 plus 3 तो हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज 12 नहीं होता है. सो इफ वी लीव फॉर 15 फॉर नाउ, इट कुड बी 11 plus 9 बिकॉज 11 plus 9 is 20. ओके, एंड इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 5, और दोनों ही नंबर्स हमने जो लिए हैं वो प्राइम नंबर्स भी हैं और लेस देन 20 भी हैं. सिमिलरली 20 को लिखने के काफी सारे वेज हैं. लाइक इफ आई से 20 को हम 17 plus 3 भी लिख सकते हैं. That will again also give me 20. And the fifth one could be 7 plus 13. Again, this will give me 20 as an answer. Okay. So these could be the numbers. You can find more. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Now the 12th question. I think this is the last one. Okay. Fill in the blanks. A part says a number which has only 2 factors is called a. Okay. Only 2 factors means those are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the only numbers which has two factors. Okay. Now for the B part, a number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Now, one is neither dash nor dash. So, easy. I told you, one is neither prime nor composite. Now, D part, the smallest prime number is. Now see, smallest prime number. 1 is not a prime number. So, we can say 2 is the smallest prime number. And actually, 2 is the smallest even prime number. Okay. Now the smallest composite number, you can check. 1 nahi hota hai, then 2 3 are both the prime numbers. तो 3 के बाद 4 आते हैं, right? तो 4 सबसे छोटा composite number हुआ. We'll write here 4. And the smallest even number is 2. Okay, got the answers. I hope you understand each and every question, how to solve them. Okay, so yeah, it is completed. Exercise 3.2 is completed. In the next lecture, we are going to start with exercise 3.3. So if the video helped you, you can like my video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, and thank you so much for watching the video.